In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish a product from Printify to your connected online store. To get started, open your Printify account and go to My Products. This is where you'll find the products you've already created and saved, ready to review before sending them to your store. Click on the product you want to publish. Before making it live, take a moment to check the title, description, and pricing. These are the details your customers will see in your online shop, so it's worth confirming that everything looks accurate. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once you've reviewed the product information and you're happy with it, select the Publish button. Printify will then send that item directly to your connected online shop, so it can appear in your store for customers to view and purchase. And that's it. You've successfully published your Printify product to your online shop.